Keya Group, KG, is one of the most well-known conglomerates in Bangladesh. Boasting 3 spinning mills, KG holds a leading position in the manufacturing and exporting of knitted garments. At present, KG operates 6 industries and employs more than 10,000 people. For more than 20 years, KG has proudly made its presence felt, both in Bangladesh and abroad in countries like Europe, Australia, China, USA, and other countries in the Southeast Asian region. In 1983, Mr. Abdul Khalik Pathan, a visionary in the business realm of Bangladesh, formed a small company called Khalik & Company. Clearly a far-sighted entrepreneur, Mr. Pathan took Khalik & Company from its humble beginnings with Keya Super Beauty Soap and built it up into what is today known as the Keya Group of Industries. KG currently runs 9 industrial units over acres of land. A true patriot, Mr. Pathan wanted to contribute toward the development of the industrial, medical, educational, sports, social welfare and other sectors of Bangladesh. His philanthropy and sincere dedication to this mission has helped Keya Group to build the private sector and boost the country's economic and industrial development. Keya Group of Industries is focused not only on marketing fast-moving consumer goods, FMCGs, but also on being an outstanding manufacturer, merchandiser, and exporter of knitted garments under the umbrella of Keya Knit Composite Limited 1996. ESTD 10,000 plus. Employees 20 years plus. Experience. Medical center of fully devoted to provide the highest possible standards of patient care, medical and health education and fast emergency service. The medical service facility is well equipped with all necessary equipment and talent. The faces behind the medical center believe in good diagnosis, good cure. Keya_about_us_firefighting. Firefighting. Since its inception, Keya Group has an efficient response crowd called Firefighting Team. The team is comprised of 25 technical trained individuals. The key role of this team is to ensure the safety and security of employees and equipments. They constantly run fire safety drills and dedicatedly monitor factory premises.